Hi friends, today's recipes in the joy of cooking are two mithai recipes. These are the Diwali special mithai recipes made using chocolate. They are deliciously tempting and very easy to make. So let's begin. Our first recipe is chewy chocolates. Very easy to make if you follow the recipe. So for the chewy chocolates we require half cup of milk compound. I have chopped it. 1/3 cup of condensed milk and 1 tablespoon of butter. So that's it. We require only 3 ingredients to make our chewy chocolates. So first we're going to heat a frying pan and add half cup of milk compound. To this we'll add 1/3 cup of condensed milk and we'll add 1 tablespoon of butter. Now you may use unsalted butter if you want to, but I have used the normal salted butter. And now we're going to combine this well, switch on the flame and let the chocolate melt thoroughly. So we're going to keep stirring this. This is very important step. Keep stirring the mixture so that everything combines well and the chocolate does not burn. We're going to mix this and cook this on low flame, medium to low flame, and you'll see the condensed milk will caramelize. Once it starts caramelizing, the mixture will thicken up. Once it's nice and thick but pouring consistency, we're going to switch off the flame. The mixture is ready to be transferred into a plate. Now you may grease the plate with some oil or butter or even clarified butter or ghee and pour the mixture onto this. And make sure that it's spread evenly. This is important. So remove the mixture onto a greased plate and spread it evenly. And now it's just the question of the mixture cooling down at room temperature. So leave it until it's at the room temperature. And once the mixture has cooled down at room temperature, miraculously you will be able to cut it into small cubes or the shape you like. So here I'm going to cut these into small cubes. Be very careful while cutting this. Now this is the only hard work in this step of making the chewy chocolates, because it's quite sticky and hard at this stage because the condensed milk has caramelized. And once you cut them into cubes, your chewy chocolates are ready to be served. You may refrigerate them or keep it at the room temperature as per your like. And that's it. Our chewy chocolates are ready. The perfect Diwali mithai made using chocolate. Now we are going to make our second mithai. It's a laddu recipe. Here we are going to use chocolate and make the laddus without using the gas stove. So no fire cooking, and our laddus will be ready in under 5 minutes. So to make the Diwali mithai using chocolate, to make our laddus, we require just 3 ingredients again. So we are going to use coconut biscuits coated with sugar, chocolate sauce and desiccated coconut. Yes, that's it. Only 3 ingredients. So first what we're going to do is we're going to take our coconut biscuits and we're going to break them like this. You will see the biscuits are sugar coated. These are readily available in the market. So we're not going to add any extra amount of sugar. because the biscuits are already sugar coated. So break them. So I'm using 8 to 10 biscuits over here, and I'm going to transfer these into a mixer jar. Now we are going to make fine powder out of it like this. You'll see it's perfectly fine. Now we're going to transfer this again into a mixing bowl. Once done, now what we're going to do is we're going to add our chocolate element, that is the chocolate sauce. So here you will require about 1 tablespoon to 1.5 to even 2 tablespoons of chocolate sauce. So that will depend as per the quantity of the biscuits, and we want the moisture content into the biscuits, so we're going to add the chocolate sauce as required. So about 2 tablespoons should do it for 8 to 10 biscuits. Perfect. You'll see it will form into a dough. So keep mixing it until that stage. Yes, you'll see it's coming together now. Perfect. Once it's properly mixed and properly done, we are going to make our balls out of it, or the laddus. Now make them big or small, it depends as per your like. I have given them a medium sized shape. So this is how our laddus look. Yes, perfectly done. You'll see the oil from the coconut has come out. It's become nice and smooth in texture from the outside. So give it a nice shape. Make sure it looks really stunning and good. That is important. Perfect. So make all the laddus over here. I'm going to get 4 laddus, medium sized, of the 8 to 10 biscuits. Make them properly. Yes. So this is how our laddus are ready. Now we are going to coat them into the desiccated coconut. They look more beautiful and a more coconut flavor from the desiccated coconut. So you may skip this step if you want to, but I highly recommend it. Yes, perfect. It's that easy. Our coconut laddus are ready in under 5 minutes. Isn't that great? And serve them. So this is how our chocolate coconut laddus are ready in under 5 minutes using just 3 ingredients. So this is how our Diwali special mithai using chocolates are ready. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Hit the like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, The Joy of Cooking. I'll see you next time with some more exciting recipes. Until then, stay tuned. Bye bye.